What's up guys, it's Jeff from Auto Sauce, and today we're going to use our quick detailer, our Marinara detail spray, and just clean off some water spots on this truck behind me. I'll show you, give you a step-by-step on how to do it. So all you need to do is grab a microfiber and your Marinara detail spray, and I'll show you how it works. We got our spray, we got our microfiber, and we've got our truck. Truck's got some water spots on it. It's probably cleaned a few days ago. But this is just for some touch-ups in between the washes. So we'll just take our spray and just give this fender a few sprays. Maybe even get it onto the hood a little bit. There's really not much to it. I like to fold the microfiber in half and in half again, and I'll show you why. So I take this side first, and I'm just gonna basically just rub everything in. Get it all covered in there. And here is the reason why I folded that microfiber, is now I'll turn it over to the dry side and just buff my panel clean. And for the most part, all the spots are gone. It's that simple. You can do the whole car in about 15-20 minutes, and it's nice and clean just like you just washed it. So head on over to the website, pick up some Marinara detail spray and a microfiber, and get sauced. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.